And where are you from?
From Lithuania.
MashaAllah. So are you married yet, or are you going to get married after? Allahu Akbar. Beautiful. Our experienced cameraman's on holiday at the moment, so we've got his brother. So she says she wants 160,000 people to see her become a Muslim. Alhamdulillah. Okay, assalamu alaikum. Back in the park again, mashallah. I'm with Sister Simona. And mashallah, her partner's brought her today, isn't it, inshallah, to see what's going on here. And we found out that you're already basically a Muslim, but you've not brought it out yet.
Yes.
So she says she wants 160,000 people to see her become a Muslim. Alhamdulillah. So what we're going to do, we're going to give a shahada, mashallah. So first we'll do it in the Arabic.
Okay.
And then we'll do it in the English, inshallah. Okay? So you raise your finger.
This.
Say, Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
anna
ilaha illallah.
illallah
Wa
wa
ashhadu
ashhadu
anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Right, say, I bear witness
I bear witness
that none has the right to be worshipped
that none has to be right to worship
but Allah.
but Allah.
And I bear witness
And
I bear witness
I bear witness
that Muhammad
Muhammad
is his messenger.
is his messenger.
Alhamdulillah. Allahu Akbar. Welcome to the Ummah and the brotherhood and sisterhood, mashallah. So alhamdulillah, the nikah is going to happen soon, inshallah. What I recommend now is on a Saturday in Regent's Park, they have new Muslim circles. Go there, meet your sisters.
Okay.
Let them know you've become a Muslim, alhamdulillah. I want to be the one to give her scarf, if that's okay. Right? I sell hijabs as a business, yeah?
Okay.
Can you message? I'll exchange contact details because I want to give you a few gifts, if that's okay. Okay. I haven't got it with me because I didn't know, but inshallah we'll sort that out. Yeah. So basically, what you've done now is the shahada. Alhamdulillah. The next step is on you. Is to learn how to pray.
Yeah.
Because you pray 5 times a day. And Ramadan is coming, so congratulations for that. That happened to me, right? And you've got it in the summer, so you'll really enjoy that. And then obviously Hajj once in a lifetime, inshallah. Yeah.
Yes.
So that's all I'll say. Congratulations, welcome to the Ummah, inshallah.
Thanks.
But inshallah we'll exchange details and then I'll get you the stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. Take care. Takbir! 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 That's just saying hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Congratulations. MashaAllah, Mabruk, MashaAllah. Proud of you, man. Alhamdulillah. You know, in this situation, a lot of guys, no, she's not ready yet. She's not ready yet. Because you know why? She's going to start looking at you now. So you have to now make sure you're a Muslim.
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Yeah. Actually, on the subject of nikah, what do you recommend? How do you... I don't know anything about it.
Okay, I can find out whether I can get it done at my masjid if you like, inshallah. But what I'm adamant, you need to take her to Regent's Park Masjid on Saturday.
Yeah.
Go pray Dhuhr there.
She's only here like on a holiday at the moment.
Oh, you're only here on holiday? Oh, we got to go back. Oh my God, they're going to love it there. Hey! Have we got Lithuanian channel?
She's been to the mosque there, yeah.
Allahu Akbar.
Man like Hamza, come on.
What's that?
Figure of speech, a man like Hamza.
Oh, sorry, I won't listen, forgive me. Oh, so you're going back to Lithuania?
Yeah.
Oh, alhamdulillah. There's masjid in Lithuania?
There's one, yeah.
Fantastic, alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
So then...
Oh, inshallah, she wants to move over.
Oh, okay, beautiful.
We'll work out the details how we did nikah.
Okay, yeah.
I think it's the parents that are a bit funny. So
I understand that.
Give me a minute.
That's the delay, really.
Okay, inshallah. Show me some of my videos, they'll be alright, inshallah. My brother, you've got the card, yeah?
Yeah.
So that's our
TNT.
Facebook page, yeah?
No, I'm not interested.
Send messenger. Send us a message.
Okay.
Say this is Simona from Lithuania.
Yeah. She'll probably do it.
And then inshallah, I want to, when are you going back?
On Thursday.
Thursday. I need to get some scars before we go back.
You know what, I made dawah before I came, wanting to see a shahada for the first time, a live shahada.
Allahu Akbar, Rasulullah. Alhamdulillah.
It's crazy.
Jazakallah khair.
Okay. you're not around in the next few days, like around here.
Around here? No, I live in East London.
Oh, do you? Where?
Yeah, up to Park.
Past Stratford.
Well, you're in Hackney, it's down the road. So we'll work something out, inshallah.
Okay.
All right?
I'll send you a message anyway.
Definitely, inshallah. Congratulations. Welcome to the Ummah, like I said. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, Simon.